Another move to fight the opioid epidemic begins in St. Louis. Two agencies bringing a new tool to the area that will save lives. Good evening. I'm Mike Bush. Ann Allred has the night off. In the last 5 years, opioid overdose deaths in St. Louis's black community have increased by 500%. That's just one statistic these groups are hoping to reverse. 5 on your side's Elise Schoenig joins us in studio to tell us what you might see in a neighborhood near you.
Yeah, so Prevent Ed and People's Health Center are installing these Naloxboxes. These boxes will physically save opioid overdose deaths because they contain Narcan. But community leaders hope these boxes will change entire mindsets, allowing anyone impacted by this epidemic to know they have help.
We could save 2 lives with this one box of Narcan.
Prevent Ed is one of many agencies in St. Louis taking the opioid epidemic and putting life-saving matters in its own hands.
Anytime anyone might be experiencing or witnessing an overdose, they're able to just go to the box, open it up, and help save the person's life with Narcan.
Prevent Ed and People's Health Center are partnering to install 75 Naloxboxes across St. Louis City and North St. Louis County. Each box has 2 doses of Narcan, which reverses opioid overdose effects, a rescue breathing mask, and instructions.
We've looked at overdose data by zip code throughout the city, and with that data supporting where there's higher rates of overdose.
Prevent Ed Deputy Executive Director Jenny Ambruster says it's an ongoing battle. And People's Health Center President and CEO Dwayne Butler says the impact of these boxes can ripple across generations.
It's not only for those who have been addicted for a number of years. It's also for those who get drugs, illicit drugs, every now and again, and that exposure is extreme.
According to data from both agencies, the St. Louis Metro accounted for 48% of all drug overdose deaths in Missouri in 2021. It also accounted for 79% of all drug overdose deaths of black people in Missouri in 2021. And currently, St. Louis City has one of the highest overdose rates in the country.
Start the conversation around the dinner table. Not only keep drug abuse and opioid addiction in the corners of our community.
Because the life-saving part of these boxes is more than just what's inside.
And it doesn't stop with installing those boxes. Both groups are continuing to have conversations at public events to keep the community informed. Prevent Ed will be outside of the Pearl Jam concert tonight in downtown St. Louis with more information on the boxes and to support in any way needed.
Elise, thanks.